In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin user to Kit. If you're working with a team, it's really important to give the right people the right level of access to your account. In Kit, which you might remember as ConvertKit, you can easily invite team members and assign them roles, like admin or editor. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add a new admin user using the team settings, and I'll explain what each option means so you feel confident about who you're inviting. First, log into your Kit account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your account name or your profile icon there. Go ahead and click that. This opens a drop-down menu with various account options. From that drop-down, choose the option labeled Settings. This will take you to your main account settings area where you can manage things like your account details, billing, and of course, your team. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a sidebar menu. In that menu, click on Team. The Team section is where you can view everyone who currently has access to your account and what roles they have. Inside the Team area, look for a button that says Invite a Team Member and click it. This opens a form where you can add the details of the person you want to invite. In the form, you'll need to enter the user's name and email address. Make sure you type the email address carefully because this is where their invitation will be sent. If the email is incorrect, they won't receive the link to join your account. Next, you'll choose the role for this person. Since we're adding an admin, select Admin from the role options. An admin has full access to the account. That includes billing, subscriber management, automations, and overall account settings. You should only give this role to someone you fully trust because they'll be able to make major changes. You may also see an editor option. Editors can work on content, like creating and editing email sequences or broadcasts, but they can't change account-level settings or billing information. This is useful if you want someone to help with content, but you don't want them touching sensitive settings. Once you've entered the user's name, email, and selected admin as the role, click the Invite button. Kit will send an email invitation to that address. After they accept the invite and create or connect their login, they'll appear in your team list as an admin with full access.